In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload multiple files at once in ChatGPT using two different methods. This can be incredibly useful when you're handling a lot of documents or images and want to streamline the process. So let's jump right in and simplify your file uploading tasks. First, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're on the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. You should see the ChatGPT website as one of the top results. Click on this link to be taken directly to the official ChatGPT page. It's important to make sure you're on the right website to ensure the process goes smoothly. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll notice a plus sign, usually located near the file interface. Clicking on this will initiate the first method we're going to explore. Look for an option that says Add Photos and Files. Click on it, and it'll prompt you to select files from your computer. Here's a little tip. If you're looking to upload multiple files at once, hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking on the desired files. Once you've selected the files you'd like to upload, simply click Open. This will trigger the upload process through the first method. Moving on to the second method, let's head back to your File Explorer on your computer. Find the files you'd like to upload to ChatGPT. Here's where the magic happens for this method. Right-click on the selected files and look for an option that says Compress to Zip File. This will bundle your selected files into a single zip file, which makes it very convenient for uploading. If you have additional files, repeat this step to compress those into zip files as well. Once everything is bundled into zip files, go back to the ChatGPT interface. Click on the plus sign again as you did in the first method. Then, hit Add Photos and Files. This time, instead of selecting individual files, choose your newly created zip file. Select the zip file and click Open. This will upload the entire bundle of files all at once, courtesy of this handy compression trick. And there you have it. By following these two methods, you're equipped to efficiently upload multiple files in ChatGPT, making your work a lot easier and more organized. Each method offers a different approach depending on your preference or the specific requirements of your task. So try out both and see which one suits you best. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help enhance your productivity when using ChatGPT. Happy uploading!